Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Technology Explore. This video is very important for those who have their own laser cutting machines because in this video I'm going to show you a website where you can design multiple types of boxes online, and then you can also download the files in as DXF file format in your PC. So let's get started. So this is the website makercase.com. When you visit this website, it will show you three options: box, basic box, polygon box, and curve bent box. So you can choose your type of box and then simply click on the type, and in the left side here if you can see units. If you are following inches, then you select inch, or if you want to use millimeters, then select millimeter. And then if you can see, I can also rotate this box. I can hover, zoom in, zoom out. After selecting the units, you have to select the sides. So let's say instead of 5, if I select 6, then see, it will automatically convert it into 6-sided box. And then this is the size reference. So when you put the sizes here on these boxes, the reference points inside the diameter, outside diameter, or side length. So you have to select your desired type or reference, and then here is the inside diameter. So let's say I'm going to select 200 millimeter diameter, and then inside height, select the height, let's say 50 millimeter, and here is the material thickness: acrylic sheet or plywood sheet thickness 3, 6, 9 or 12. You can also select custom thickness by selecting this option and then type here 5 mm and press OK button. So now next we have this option, open or closed box. So it depends on you what type of box you are going to select, open or closed. Then we have this option, edge joint. Here you can see these are flat lines. You can also use finger like this. And then we have the finger size here. So when you increase the size, the number of fingers automatically vary according to the design. Once you have done all the design, you can download the files. So for that, here if you can see this button, download box plans. So click on it. Here you can see these are the box plans. So if you can see here the plan labels. So if you want to hide, select this option, disable panel labels. And then we have these two options to download the files. So it depends upon the software for your CNC laser cutting machine. So mine is DXF. I'm going to download the DXF files for all these plans. Here you can see download has been completed, and now let me show you by importing this DXF file into my CNC laser cutting software. Let me import, and here is the box, open. So here you can see. I hope you have enjoyed and learned from this video. Thanks for watching and sparing time, and don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel for more videos.